Hello and welcome for United Business Group. You join us for our first Q&A mini-series covering managed print. We'll be giving you insight and information about what we believe are the best managed print products from our portfolio and within the industry. I'm Duncan Roots, the Solutions and Projects Manager from United Business Group, and today Hayden from EveryonePrint joins us. Hi Hayden.
Hi Duncan, appreciate you inviting me along to answer your questions today.
It's a pleasure. Should we jump straight into it?
Yeah, I'd love to.
Excellent. So first question, for customers that are looking to get into managed print, they have a choice at the moment, on-premise, in the cloud or hybrid cloud. Could you break those technologies down and give us more information, please?
Yeah, hopefully I can. I've been in the industry over 20 years. I've been around print management solutions for that whole time. I think generally first we have to consider why would a customer choose a print management solution? And primarily the driver for that is a necessity for print cost reduction. So utilizing things such as business intelligence to track, monitor and adjust user print behaviors to be more cost effective. In addition, further cost reduction can be realized by using the solution to consolidate personal or less efficient devices into a more optimal state. So things like confidentiality concerns, they're often addressed using follow you printing, ensuring that users get the correct prints when they're actually physically at the device. So as you've already touched upon in your question, Duncan, there are a myriad of different types of solutions in the market, and they range from fully on-premise installed within the customer's existing infrastructure, right up to true cloud software as a service offerings. And they all have different benefits and different qualities depending on what your customer's business requirements are. And what I hope we can get out of this session is really some clarity for your customers in what those differences are and what your customers might actually want from a print management solution.
Great, thanks for the answer. So EveryonePrint, although it can be installed on-premise, it's very strong in the hybrid cloud format. Can you give us some more information? And why is that, say, stronger than some other solutions in the market?
Yeah, so where hybrid cloud print really sets itself aside is it's been designed right from the ground up to be for a cloud-first strategy. We know that businesses have been moving to the cloud. They've had the desire to move to the cloud over the last decade, primarily because of the business benefits or the benefits that are offered. So flexibility, security, better productivity, IT simplification, and further cost reduction. So what the pandemic has effectively done is accelerated this shift or this requirement for flexibility to the point where over 75 or recent market research suggests that over 75% of business leaders have a cloud-first strategy that they're going to be adopting within the next 3 to 5 years.
Okay. So, IT manager, purchaser, currently have an on-premise print server, moving to the cloud. There might be some concerns regarding future-proofing. How can you reassure customers that your product is here for the long term and they won't be continue upgrading it?
Yeah. So I think flexibility and simplicity is a key ethos at EveryonePrint. So as a customer utilizing hybrid cloud print, you have more flexibility over your print estate. So with our multi-vendor support and our zero driver technology, our solution will accommodate legacy or multi-vendor estates, essentially meaning you can separate your customers can separate their print infrastructure backbone from their hardware purchasing decisions. And if you consider other cloud products, things like Office 365, for example, it updates while you're working and it evolves automatically. Essentially taking away the burden of patching and updates from your customers' IT departments, and hybrid cloud print operates in essentially the same way. So it makes future-proofing a natural product of cloud technology.
Okay. So key considerations when you're talking to customers, it always comes up is the cost element. So can you prove that there'll be a cost saving or reductions to, the print estate for people moving to the cloud with you guys?
Yeah, so it's about where you're looking at where the costs are actually coming from. So what's often overlooked in a traditional MPS cost reduction approach is that heavy upfront burden of the solution. And that's often bundled in alongside the requirement to, or necessity even, to refresh the print estate. So when it's all put together, it actually takes a long time, if ever, to realize that desired or that cost saving that was desired in the first outset of the project. So furthermore, traditional print management doesn't really address the hidden costs and burdens that IT managers are challenged upon today. And that's things essentially the print infrastructure itself, the print server, the print driver management, the maintenance, patches, and inherent security flaws, which for on-premise solutions give very little in the way of flexibility. So by considering hybrid cloud print as your print management solution, you can achieve savings not just in the traditional ways that we discussed in the answer to the first question that you asked me, but also we can make significant impacts on the overall infrastructure total cost of ownership, meaning cost benefits are realized generally for our customers after the first year of outlay.
Thanks, Hayden. Some really good answers there.
You're welcome. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you. Well, hopefully that's given you some good insight into EveryonePrint and Managed Print in general. If you require any further information, please check our website out, which is unitedbusinessgroup.co.uk, or email us at info@unitedbusinessgroup.co.uk. Thanks for your time. I look forward to joining you on the next Q&A mini-series. Thank you.